Hi everyone, welcome back to Focus Android. Today I'm going to show you how to play your favorite mobile game right on your PC using the Google Play Beta app. If you have ever wanted to enjoy mobile game with a bigger screen, this tutorial is for you. So let's dive into the tutorial. We will start by downloading the Google Play Beta app. First, open your browser and type Google Play Beta in the search bar. Then click on the website playgoogle.com. Then click download beta to download the installer. After downloading, we open the application to install it. Then click install to start. Here you need to wait a few moments for the process of downloading and installing the application. After the process is complete, the application will automatically open. Then please click sign in with Google and will direct you to the browser to log in with your Google account. And after the process is complete, you can return to the application. And you need to click a few things here to continue. And finally, we have successfully entered Google Play. Here you can search for games, install games, and then play games.